What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, today's the day, because I'm going to do a giveaway in this video. And I'm going to unbox and do a first impression of the brand new Zaharoff Signature Extreme. Now, this is a very special fragrance for two reasons. One, because I really love the original Signature Pour Homme, and this one is supposed to be a more refined, more elegant, a more amped up version of the Signature Pour Homme. And the plate in front of it has a special type of paint, and that paint was obtained directly from the manufacturers of the particular shade of black paint that's used in Mercedes-Benz cars. So, I personally don't have a car, and something that's coming from Mercedes itself, I mean the paint only, it's kind of like exciting to me. So without much delay, let's get down to business. And guys, like I said, do not forget to subscribe because you don't want to miss the giveaway. Again, this is not a sponsored content. Your subscription, comments, likes, sharing means a lot to me. It helps with the channel's production and everything. Right. So the box is beautifully done. It's a very refined, like almost like a gentleman in a tuxedo. That fine cloth tuxedo. Look at this. Beautiful stuff. Typical Zaharoff signature box. Always love his presentations. And wow. Would you look at that? All black. Wow. Man. Beautiful stuff. So in case you are not familiar with the Zaharoff box, this is what it looks like. It's very simple, yet the attention to details and everything, like the texture on the front plug, I would say, it's so nicely done. Beautiful stuff, like, wow, really nice. Kudos to you, George. Now, wow, just look at this color. I mean, it's gorgeous, beautiful. Just take a look, take a moment to appreciate the beauty in this. So basically, this is the same paint that goes on Mercedes-Benz cars. Wow. The juice almost looks like if I'm holding it against the light directly, it's almost like gray, but if I look at it from the side, it has this nice deep purple kind of tinge to it. Tinge or shade, whatever you call it. Beautiful, like, are the same? Sorta, kinda. But this one's a bit lighter, this one's a bit darker. Wow. Now, before I start spraying, let me tell you about the notes from the website. On the top, you have apple, basil, black pepper, rosemary, and cardamom. Aromatic, fruity, fresh opening. On the mids, you have fir balsam, birch, temple oud. Now, this is the Indonesian oud, and what George said was that the oud in this one, Extreme, was really amped up. I'm really excited to find out what this one smells like because I'm a big fan of oud-based fragrances. I have authentic oud attars, so I know exactly what to expect, should things go sideways, because I have really animalic ones, there are nicer ones, all types of ouds. So I really want to experience what George has done to this one. And you've got cashmere woods. On the base, you have frankincense, leather accord, patchouli, musk, vetiver. So I wouldn't say, from the notes, it's not super complex, but only time will tell because, of course, the concentration, everything's different. Oils, quality, like the materials, everything's different. And, of course, the oud plays a vital role because, like oud by itself is a very resinous, aromatic kind of smell. So, a bit more could totally alter the whole fragrance by itself. Let's go ahead and spray Zaharoff Signature Extreme. I'm gonna go directly on skin. My God, man, I'm loving this bottle. George, kudos for this bottle, man. I really loved it. Wow. Like the feel of this thing. My God. All right, here goes. Oh, okay. Okay. Oops. Think I sprayed my other hand too. I was holding it too close. Yes, 100% the oud is amped up. Let me do one thing. I'm gonna spray the OG on my right hand and do a side-by-side. That will give me a better idea. So the original is a bit more lighter. The brand new one, Extreme, it's darker, like it's unlike anything. It's kind of giving me the vibes from Halfa de Black Rose, almost. Something about it, especially the oud part, like the oud is coming through right away, at least on my skin. Guys, do let me know in the comments what's happening to you, or what are you experiencing when you spray Extreme. Almost has that kind of like a medicinal vibe to it in the opening. And just look at that oil concentration. Oh my god. So the original, it has this nice, almost fougere kind of vibe. The apple and everything, the aromatics in the opening, herbaceous vibe, it's different. It's more brighter, it's crisp. This one is very dense, opulent, and dark. Right away, you can say. Some medicinal quality to it, of course. It takes a while to settle down, of course. There's a warmth to it, and almost like a zingy warmth. So, safely assuming it's the pepper. So, of course, black pepper. The basil, it's adding to that herbaceous vibe, but it's not like a green bright one. It's more like a subdued thing that's neutralizing the sharp opulent opening. Apple is not super prominent. I guess the apple in the opening, it's like a supporting note. It's toning down, it's balancing the bitter, succulent, juicy, yet not sweet part. Now, people in the groups have been saying how after 30 to 40 minutes, this thing's changed a lot. So, of course, this is only a first impression, guys. I will be back with a full review. You know, of course, you know my style. I will be back with a full review. But in my opinion, this signature Extreme, it's extremely masculine. Maybe I just grew some more hair on my face, man. I mean, this is just making me feel more masculine. Right, so you can really feel the oud. The patchouli is also coming through. So this is the type of patchouli that's kind of like a bit dirty, almost feels damp, at least to my nose. It's coming through. So the oud patchouli combination is coming through. Almost has that earthy quality to it. Beautiful stuff. I mean, yeah, the original one is hands down one of the finest Zaharoff fragrances, but this one, the OG and this, the Extreme, two totally different worlds. Like, there's no way I'm getting any kind of facets of the original one in the Extreme. Very different. Very, very different. So, the leather cord, although it's in the base, but I am kind of catching the whiff of it. So it's not like a super pronounced leather. Maybe it's going to open up more as it's drying down, but so far it's a very refined, it feels very refined. Perfect for this kind of a setup, like where you have like a semi-formal or a formal attire. Definitely something you would want to rock in the cooler months. Of course, I'm going to try this in the warmer months, man. Who cares? I don't mind people dying from this fragrance. Man. So it has toned down. So the wild opening from Extreme, it's toned down now. It feels more wearable, of course. Like the opening kind of threw me off though. But that was like just the opening. So of course there's the shock from all the shipping and the temperatures are really low here in New York City. But it kind of has this mild animalic vibe, which in my opinion is perfectly balancing out things here. It's not super animalic, but it's adding to the masculinity factor. Very nice, very nice. So George, another beautiful creation. Anybody who is about to try this one or planning to buy, I would highly recommend you sample this first, because this is not an easy to wear fragrance in my opinion. I mean, if you buy the OG, this one's like super uber easy. Goes with anything, formal, casual, just run and gun situations. This one's perfectly fine. Extreme is really extreme. Like, it's potent, it's loud, it's bold, feels very elegant. I wouldn't recommend wearing this like with casual wear, although I might just wear it, of course. You know me, I wear whatever I want. But personally, if you really want to match your attire with this fragrance, this is something you might want to wear, or something that's a bit more formal, maybe a tie and a shirt. This one's nice. And this one will grab attention. So guys, that was my first impression and unboxing video of Zaharoff Signature Extreme. This is a brand new release, came out in 2025. Now, time for the giveaway. From my personal collection, I'm giving away Rendezvous in New York from the brand of Hayati in New York. This is coming out from my own personal collection. I will be sending it to you free of cost. All you have to do is comment below this particular hashtag, "This New Yorker smells good." Put that hashtag and let me know which particular fragrance is your favorite. You could put multiple, I don't mind, but make sure you put the hashtag, and the updates and everything will be given in my Instagram profile. So make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's right here. It's Bryans_broadcast. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Updates will be provided there. So I'm not going to announce the winner here on YouTube. This one winner will be announced on Instagram. So you are commenting right here on YouTube, hashtag "This New Yorker smells good." Again, it's right here on the top, and followed by, make sure to mention your favorite fragrance or fragrances, which one you like and why you like it. I'll be more than happy to read and respond to each and every one of your comments. So don't miss out this particular giveaway. So that's a 10 ml size of Hayati New York. These are very nice fragrances. Again, this is another US based company, just like how Zaharoff is. They're relatively new, and again, this is not a sponsored one, so I am doing this from my own part. So guys, make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. I will see you on Instagram, especially the winner. Good luck to all of you, and until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.